Hi everyone, I'm Leticia from Vode Lighting, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install our ZipTwo lights using a magnetic strip. We've designed the ZipTwo to be easy to install and maintain. Using magnets allows for extra flexibility because it can be installed virtually anywhere and allows for quick removal for cleaning or fixture maintenance. The first step is to drill a hole on your mounting surface at the end of your metal strip to match up with the wire lead. The hole should be a 1/2 inch wide. Once you've thoroughly cleaned the surface of debris and dust, the next step is to mount the metal strip. You can pull the liner off of the adhesive and stick the metal strip into place. Press firmly down the length of the strip to make sure the adhesive is properly secured. You can also order your ZipTwo with the side lead wire if you cannot run the wiring through your mounting surface. Finally, you could connect the wiring and lift the fixture into place. The magnets and metal strip will snap into place. Your ZipTwo has been installed. I hope this video has helped demonstrate the ease of installing ZipTwo with magnetic strips. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website or reach out to your salesperson. Thank you for watching.